Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an iPhone 12 mini unboxing video. I know you guys really seem to love my iPhone related videos, so I thought I would bring another one back. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video so that you can also see the difference in sizes between the iPhone 12 mini and also the iPhone 12 Pro. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started on with the video. This is the box. If you have watched my iPhone 12 Pro video, then you probably recognize this box from that video because it seems like they ship out in a similar box. Okay, let's open it and see what we have in here. I like this box thing that they do to put these iPhone videos in. It always feels like a puzzle, but we're gonna just slice this. I totally forgot that you can also just flip it and it'll come off either way. So I'm just gonna take this out real quick. Okay, so this is what the iPhone 12 mini box looks like. As you can tell, it's white. It's still got that slim looking box shape that I noticed it also had with the iPhone 12 Pro. This color should be a black iPhone 12 mini, and I'm so excited to look at the size. So let's see what it looks like. So it looks really small. It looks really cute. So we're gonna take it out real quick and see. So it's got this little peel that we can surely take off, and then we'll look into these in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to remove this protector, and this again is like this might be the first most #1 satisfying part actually, but it looks really nice. I feel like there's like some matte going around here, which if you have seen the other phone, which I'll show you guys later in this video, but this is kind of like a matte looking side on the phone, which I think is really nice. And this is where the glossy part is on the back of the video, on the back of the phone I mean. But you can tell that there's the two small cameras, and this is what the phone looks like, which I think is really nice. I think my favorite part about this one is the fact that there is some matte looking texture on the side, and it's got the same plug for charging, and basically that is what it looks like. But we're gonna see what comes in the box as well. So in this box for the iPhone 12 mini, we have obviously the charger, which is just kind of like a standard. Okay, then we have the Designed by Apple in California little folder thing. I don't know what to call these, but it has a little sticker and also the SIM card remover, as well as most of the packaging for iPhones have. So this is what comes in the box. Okay, so I'm covering my address, so don't mind that, but I'm going to be showing you guys the MagSafe Clear Case for the iPhone 12 mini. So I'm gonna put it right here and open it for you guys. This is definitely small, which I think is so cute. I think the size is honestly not bad. I personally got used to the iPhone 12 Pro size, but I feel like this size is really nice. I definitely would prefer this one over the Pro Max, just because I'm not the biggest fan of having a big phone, so I feel like this is a little nice size, as well as the Pro is actually not that big. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this open. I love how this is so practical to open. So this is the case, and I have had some questions asking about if the case is comfortable, like is it smooth, is it rough, is it hard to press on the buttons. So we're gonna put it on the phone right now, and I'll give you guys kind of like a little mini kind of insight of what I think. So we're gonna pop it into here, and this is what it looks like. So let me just make sure that it fits in here without hurting the phone. Okay, so we definitely still do need a screen protector, but this is what the case looks like, and don't mind my fingerprints if they show. But personally, my view on the case is that it's really smooth. Personally, it's just like a soft plastic. I don't know how else to probably explain it, but it's really smooth, and personally with my phone, it's been pretty easy to click on these. I haven't had a problem with that. Okay, so here is the iPhone 12 Pro. So they both have the MagSafe Clear Case. The iPhone 12 Pro is a silver colored phone, and then this one is a black phone. So just for the comparison, we also have 3 cameras on here and 2 on here, and you can just tell the overall size. I do want to point out that, as I've said before, with the iPhone 12 mini, it does have a matte gloss kind of thing on the sides, versus this one has a more of a glossy, as you can tell on the sides if you guys can see through the case. But I will take them out of the case just so you guys can see like kind of like a full just a texture wise of the phone. Okay, so this is what the phones look like without the cases on. I think this is interesting because for the back I feel like this is more of a matte look versus this is more of a glossy look. So don't mind my fingerprints on this, but I definitely do notice that as a huge difference. So it's kind of like reversed in a way, but I feel like these, both of them are really nice. This one is definitely more portable and smaller and such, but this one is definitely more bigger. So that is pretty much the difference between the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 mini, in case you guys were interested in looking at sizing or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm losing my voice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would make me so happy. And all of my social media links, my vlog channel, my podcast, everything will be linked down below, so definitely check it out. And I hope you're having a beautiful day or night, and I will see you next Tuesday with another video. Bye guys.